Hi guys, my name is Paul Samico. I'm an attorney in Maryland and Virginia, and my law firm, well, we represent people who have been injured more often than not from accidents on the roadway. If you have been injured while driving a motorcycle, I'm hoping that you're watching this now and that you're not in a hospital room with your legs and arms in casts and pulleys holding you up. Motorcycle accidents are some of the most devastating, some of the most horrific accidents that we see here because you're really not being protected by anything except, what you might have been wearing in your helmet, and, the motorcycle has no protection around it. It can be a very serious situation, and again, I'm hoping that you're okay. And if not, I'm hoping that you are going to be okay real soon. These are accidents that are very, very important to involve an attorney as quickly as possible because there's so much evidence that needs to be preserved. People at fault tend to try to get out from under to avoid responsibility, and things can be erased and things can be done to eliminate the proof that they were at fault. So what we want is to be able to be contacted right away so we can go out to the scene potentially and take photographs and measurements of skid marks. This is just one example. We like to get lots of photos. We like to do witness interviews. I mean, we all know that when we hear something, we remember it for a very short period of time, and the longer it takes to get to a witness, the less they're going to remember, the less detail we're going to remember, and these things are critical. So we like to try and find witnesses as quickly as possible and actually record them so that the things that they have in their memory now are not lost. And these are critical things for proof, and they could be the difference as to whether or not there's compensation that's coming to you or not. In my law office, we have handled hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people, thousands of people who have been involved with collisions when they were riding a motorcycle. I hope that when you're riding a motorcycle in the future, if you weren't now, you were always wearing your helmet, because that's just common sense. But beyond that, I'd be honored if you wanted to hire me as your lawyer. I will fight for you and get you what you deserve. In my office, we separate insurance companies from their money.